Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Fresh Wolf is probably one of the most sought-after brands in the natural pet care industry, and for good reason. They offer a fantastic range of products designed to keep your furry friends clean, healthy, and smelling great, all while using gentle, natural ingredients that you can trust. If you're looking for high-quality grooming solutions that are safe for your pets and kind to the environment, Fresh Wolf is definitely a brand worth exploring further. Number 5. Black Wolf Salicylic Acid Body Wash. Introducing a powerful body wash designed specifically for men. It helps reduce acne breakouts and cleanse your skin effectively. Infused with charcoal, this formula provides a deep clean. It works to remove impurities and leave your skin feeling refreshed. Featuring salicylic acid, it targets acne where it starts. Get ready for clearer, smoother skin with every wash. Experience full coverage that ensures no spot is missed. This treatment delivers visible results for persistent body acne. Make this your go-to body wash for a complete skin transformation. Achieve the clean and clear skin you deserve. What we like. This body wash is designed to tackle acne breakouts effectively. Its charcoal helps to deeply cleanse your skin, removing impurities. If you're struggling with body acne and want a thorough clean, this is the product for you. What people say. The product is very effective and easy to use. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 4. GLACIER Fresh Water Filter Replacement for Sub-Zero. Introducing the GLACIER Fresh Replacement Filter for your Sub-Zero refrigerator. It's designed to deliver cleaner, better-tasting water with every use. Tested and verified to NSF 42 standards, this filter effectively removes 97.9% of chlorine. You'll notice an immediate improvement in the smell and taste of your water. This filter is compatible with a wide range of Sub-Zero refrigerator models, including the 4204490, 4290510, and 9030868. Ensure your appliance gets the clean water it deserves. Enjoy a hassle-free filter change with its convenient twist lock design. Installation is quick, easy, and requires no tools for a leak-proof fit. For the best results, replace the filter every 6 months or 200 gallons. This ensures you consistently enjoy high-quality water and ice from your refrigerator. Keep your water pure and refreshing. Regular replacement guarantees optimal filtration, enhancing the quality of both your water and ice. What we like. This filter replacement significantly reduces chlorine for better-tasting water and ice. It also boasts an easy, tool-free twist lock installation. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to improve your refrigerator's water quality, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Fresh Wolf Dog Shampoo is a great product that leaves your dog's coat soft and smelling wonderful. It's made with natural ingredients and is gentle on your dog's skin, making it a safe choice for all breeds. The shampoo lathers well and rinses out easily, which makes bath time a breeze. Number 3. Fresh Healthcare Mushroom Supplement. Discover the power of nature's finest mushrooms. This unique blend is designed to support your cognitive function and overall well-being. Featuring lion's mane, cordyceps, reishi, turkey tail, and shiitake, this supplement offers a comprehensive approach to health. It's a powerful combination for your body and mind. Strengthen your body's natural defenses. This formula is crafted to enhance your immune system, helping you stay resilient. Sharpen your mental clarity and focus. Experience peak cognitive performance with this advanced mushroom blend. Our supplement comes in 90 easy-to-swallow vegan capsules. We prioritize purity and effectiveness in every serving. Achieve your best self with this peak power mushroom supplement. It's the natural choice for those seeking enhanced vitality and brain support. What we like. This mushroom supplement offers a blend of powerful mushrooms for immune and brain support. It's formulated in easy-to-take vegan capsules. If you're seeking to enhance your cognitive function and bolster your immune system naturally, consider this supplement. What people say. The scent is amazing and lasts a long time. It leaves the house smelling so fresh and clean. I love that it's made with natural ingredients. Number 2. My love is cool. Introducing My Love is Cool. Experience a new level of comfort and style with this innovative product. It's designed to enhance your everyday life. This is more than just a product, it's a companion designed to help you achieve your goals. Discover how it can transform your routine. Crafted with precision and care, it offers unparalleled performance. Its intuitive design makes it easy to use for everyone. Feel the quality and see the results. This product is built to last and exceed your expectations. Get ready to be impressed. Embrace the future with My Love is Cool. It's the perfect blend of innovation and elegance, ready to become an essential part of your life. What we like. This album offers a distinctive and memorable title that stands out. Its sound is characteristic of the indie rock genre, appealing to fans of alternative music. If you appreciate unique artistic expression and the indie rock sound, this is worth exploring. What people say. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. Number 1. Black Wolf Charcoal Powder Face and Body Wash Bundle. Tired of oily skin? This bundle is designed to deeply cleanse and refresh your face and body. Get ready for a truly clean feeling. Struggling with acne breakouts? Our formula with charcoal powder and salicylic acid works to reduce blemishes. It effectively cleanses your skin, leaving it clearer. Looking for a great gift? This bundle makes an excellent choice, especially for men. It's a thoughtful present that offers real benefits. Experience the power of charcoal powder and salicylic acid. These key ingredients work together to purify your skin. They help remove impurities for a healthier complexion. Get more with this convenient 2-piece bundle. It provides everything you need for a complete cleansing routine. Enjoy the value and effectiveness. Feel the difference after just one use. It revitalizes your skin, leaving it feeling smooth and clean. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to radiance. What we like. This bundle combines charcoal powder and salicylic acid for superior acne control. It's specifically formulated for oily skin, offering a deep clean. If you have oily skin prone to breakouts and are looking for a comprehensive solution or a thoughtful gift, this set is ideal. What people say. The product is effective and works as advertised. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with home decor. Easy to use and maintain, with clear instructions provided. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.